Welcome to my video, everyone. This is going to be a tutorial on how to make money promoting affiliate products using YouTube. And I'm going to let you know some simple tips, where to sign up to find affiliate products. I got a few recommendations I'm going to show you. And I'm also going to show you some of the tools that you may need or may want to get to make your life a lot easier. And at the end of this video, when I'm done showing you how to do all the good stuff, I'm going to leave some resources. One of them is it's going to be the top of the video description box right below this video. It shows you how someone's making a killing doing YouTube, and it's using an automated software right here. It's an inspirational case study by Dina B, how she makes a full-time living as an affiliate using YouTube. So it's very relevant to this video. I'm going to give you a link to reserve your free spot on the free workshop you can check out below. I'm also going to give you a couple recommendations. So with that being said, let's dive in here. Let me show you how to make some money affiliate marketing using YouTube. The first thing you're going to do is sign up for an affiliate network. I'm using JVZoo. This is a top seller right now. I'm going to go over that in a minute and come back to it. But my number one recommendation is going to be ClickBank, especially for beginners. This is it right here. Have over 10,000 products in every niche you can imagine. And they've been around for probably 20, 25 years. And they've paid out literally billions of dollars with a B to affiliates worldwide, successfully promoting their products and services. So it doesn't matter where you sign up. There's commissionjunction.com, which is cj.com. There's Amazon Associates Program. There's ClickBank, which I'm showing you right now. There's JVZoo. There's ShareASale. There's cost per action affiliate networks you can sign up for free, like Max Bounty, Peerfly. The list goes on and on. But we want to keep this as simple as possible. I'm assuming you're just starting out, you're watching this. So you want to, find products to promote that you can make some money with without making your life more difficult than it has to be. So that's what this video is all about. And this is ClickBank. My number one recommendation. So just sign up right here, that blue button. Click that, sign up, put your info in. It's free to join and find some products to promote that you're interested in. And this is how you're going to promote them on YouTube. I'm going to go back to JVZoo here. This is my example. And there's a get link button. I want to show you something real quick. This is the number one seller on JVZoo at the time of this video recording. It's called Marketing Blocks. Sells for $300, a little on the pricier side. You're getting $150 every one of these you sell on the front end. Now let's look at the funnel here. As you can see, we got ones that sell for $250, 250 people bought it, plus 100 plus, 50 plus, 75 plus. So that 250 plus, approximately 1 out of every 4 people are going to buy the upsell, and that goes for $250. So you're going to earn another $150 there. So if you sold 4 of them, you're going to earn one of those 4. You'll earn $150 plus $150 because they're going to buy that upsell based on these statistics. So that's $300 and plus all the other upsells that they're selling too. So promoting a product like this, and it's got a low refund rate. If you see on the far right-hand side where it says refund, it's pretty low. So you're going to keep the majority of the money that you make promoting this particular product or service. All right, so say we want to promote this. I'm using this as an example because it's easy. We're going to click the Get Link button. And we're going to grab our affiliate link, which is right here. That's my personalized affiliate link. Now, what I recommend you do, and I'm going to show you real quick because I don't want to get real in depth with this, make this video too long. We're going to go back to ClickBank here. I'm going to leave ClickBank for a minute. Link cloakers. Google link cloakers. There's free link cloakers, but I recommend you actually pay for one because you're going to be using it for everything you do as an affiliate marketer. You can get a good deal on one, probably pay $20, $30 for one. It depends on which one you buy. Just do your research. But what a link cloaker does is it disguises your affiliate link and it makes it a lot more attractive. Instead of looking at like this normal JVZoo link, this looks like crap, it'll make it look nice so that you'll get more clicks on it. You'll inevitably make more money on it. And people will click on the links more often if you get a link cloaker. So I definitely recommend that, but I'm going to keep this to a minimum. And like I said, make this as easy as possible to show you how to do this real quick. So there's your affiliate link. I already have it copied. Now we're going to head on over to YouTube. Obviously, you're going to create a YouTube account and you're going to create a video. Obviously, you're going to want to start creating videos. On YouTube, you can use screen recording software like I use one called, there's A Shampoo, which is cheap. I think they got like an 80% deal right now. And there's one called Ice Cream. That's the one I'm currently using. Ice Cream screen recording software. They have a video editor and all that cool stuff. I use them all. I recommend that one. And they got a sale too because of depending on when you're watching this video, but it's a holiday right now. Black Friday's got good deals. Right now they got a really good deal on like 80% off or something like that. So I recommend a screen recording software. And the microphone I use is called HyperX. And this is it right here. I did find a good deal on it. And the link will be in the video description box if you want to check it out. And this is it right here. Works wonders. I'll do a review on that later on. But I like this microphone a lot. Just got it recently. I'm enjoying it so far, so good. Okay, back to the good stuff. Let's go back to this video and show you how to do this. So you're going to create your video depending on whatever you're talking about. If you're promoting a product or service, obviously you're going to want to promote that product or service in the video description box or whatever it is. And you're going to want to tell people, you know, I have some cool resources in the video description box. Check them out at the end of this video, or you can say at the beginning of the video, whatever way you want to do it. And so they know what action you want them to take if they enjoy your video and decide to take that particular action. What you're going to do here, I got a link right here. I'm going to take this down to show you what to do real quick. Put your link at the very beginning. That's your affiliate link right there. Like I said, get a link cloaker and make it a little prettier than that. And then I like to put click here for the best marketing software. Something to that extent. It depends on what you're promoting, what you're going to put here, but I always put click here. And I'll tell people in the video, like when you're watching, I told you to check out my resources in the video description box, you know, to get started making money with YouTube and affiliate marketing. So depending on what it is, put click here or check this out and let them know in the video as well. Now you're going to click save. I don't want to save it because this is our older video and I already have it done. But just click save. And then when that, you know what, I'll do it real quick. Just to show you. Now we're going to go over to the video and I'll edit it in a minute. This is an older video. As you can see the links right here. This is my affiliate link. See, it says click here for the marketing software that I just did. When you click on it, it's going to go over that particular product or service that you're promoting. And this is that marketing blocks. That's happens to be the top seller on JVZoo right now. And this is a sales page. Nice sales page. I wonder why it sells well. Someone wants to buy, they're going to click the buy now button. And they buy it. They got PayPal. Check out the credit card. A lot of options. And as you can see, to tell that you're going to get credit as an affiliate, that's my name right there, and it'll tell you your affiliate ID at the bottom. Same thing with ClickBank. To test everything out, you can go to the ClickBank, do like a fake order. Not a fake order, but check out whatever product it is you plan on promoting. Go through the buying process. Go to the order page. You don't have to order it, obviously. But use your affiliate link, and your name and your affiliate ID should be at the bottom. So that's how I know if somebody buys that particular product or service that you're going to get credit for everything that that people happen to buy. So that's a good way to check right there. And a lot of affiliate networks offer that. JVZoo and ClickBank are the ones that I know off the top of my head that you can check at the bottom of the sales page. And yep, it's copacetic, links working fine, all that good stuff. So that's that. And that's it. I mean, you just find affiliate products to promote on on YouTube, you create a video using free screen recording software. Like I said, Ace Shampoo is a good one. Ice Cream screen recording software. There's some good blog posts that go over different screen recording softwares that people use. I like the Ice Cream and the Ace Shampoo. It's reasonably priced. They're easy to use. And get yourself a good microphone. And that's about basically all you need. It's not very costly. And you just keep putting out quality videos in whatever niche or whatever you're interested in and promote relevant affiliate products. And tell people inside the videos to check out what you have to offer. You can do reviews, show people how to do something, whatever it may be. Use your imagination. But the main goal of YouTube videos is to get them to rank in YouTube, get as many people as possible to click on those particular videos, and to get them to take action on your links in the video description box, and ultimately go over to whatever product or service you're selling and buy that particular product or service so you can earn commissions. So with that being said, that's that. Like I said, check out my resources in the video description box. They'll help you out. I'll give you a link to that Hyper Quadcast I recommend. There's other ones on the market you can check out too, obviously, but that's the one I use. And I want you to check out this video because it's really good. Like I said here, she's making a killing off YouTube and affiliate marketing, and it's a free workshop. If you're interested in checking this out, click the first link in the video description box. I'll have the second link over to that the microphone I use if you want to check that out, see if there's any sales going on it. And that's about it. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it helps you out. And if you have any questions, just shoot me a comment in the comment section underneath this video, and I'll be glad to help you out as best I can. So thanks for watching. Have a good day. Make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.